arrived at the Como San Giovanni train station, and see this ground? Yeah, it makes it hard to pull the luggage.
Definitely an old-time platform here with the street-type bricks, but it's all good. Good to be here.
So we are here on the last leg of our journey. We are in Como, on Lake Como, and we're staying at Hotel Como. So we're just doing all the Como today. And so we had an extra day on our trip, and want to do something different, and kind of on the way to the house. So from Rome, we just went up through Milan and up here to Lake Como. And so now we're here. We're going to go out into the city center and check out what they got. I can fly my drone here, but only in certain parts. So we're gonna go to that part first so I can fly before it gets dark. But interestingly enough, we're going north, and there's this idea that, people in the south are friendlier because, down in Naples, down in Sicily, everybody's super friendly. And since we've been here in the north, we've already had like 2 incidences where people were just rude to us. And one lady on the train was upset about us touching her bags, and then the cab driver, we had an issue, with payment or whatever, and he just kind of stormed off. So making friends in Lake Como already.
You'll find a gelato place just about anywhere in Italy.
Well, as soon as I make an all-inclusive statement that everybody in the north is rude, we meet all the friendliest people as we're going, so I'll take it. I was gonna fly my drone, but now these rain clouds are looking a bit menacing. So let's see if they pass and if I can fly. All right, so we are here at Lake Como enjoying the lake, and behind us we have that big Life Electric statue. Looks pretty cool. Let's talk to our people. What do they think of Lake Como?
I love Lake Como so far, and I definitely want to make this a longer trip next time, so I'm looking forward to coming back.
Likewise, I would love to be here more time. It's beautiful, serene, very tranquil, peaceful. I would like to be here longer.
Even though I don't remember this being my pick, Lake Como is beautiful. I'm glad I got to come.
I definitely gotta get a hat here because Lake Como has a little mix of Roma and Milano. I just know what people do for a living here, but from the stores down there, people make a lot of money. So definitely recommend it.
The first time we all got one that we liked.
Yeah, right?
Yum. As promised, we came back. So we're gonna finish our night with some gelato, and it's starting to rain, so enjoy this drone footage while you like, share, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you guys in the next video.